Hi everyone, we are going to start Cambridge IGCSE Additional Maths paper for the section October-November 2025. This is the paper 1 which is non-calculator with the code 0606 and the variant is 3. Okay, this is a 0606/13 which is the Cambridge IGCSE, where this is the same paper Cambridge O level 4037/13 which has the same question. Okay, so this paper is for the both O level and for the IGCSE additional maths. Okay, let's move to the question number 1. Solve the following inequality. We have the quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation can be solved by factorization. For example, -6 times 1 is equals to -6, and -3 times 2 is also equals to -6. When we add -3 and 2, -3 plus 2, we will have -1. So we can factorize this quadratic equation. For example, x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 greater than or equal to 0. So when we take x common from first two term, it will be x minus 3. Then taking plus 2 common, we will have x minus 3, which is greater than or equal to 0. So taking x minus 3 common from these two terms, we will have x plus 2, which is greater than or equal to 0. Now we have two factors equating each with 0. For x minus 3 equal to 0, and in this case x is equals to 3. On the other side, x plus 2 is equals to 0, so in this case x is equals to -2. So x is less than, we have the greater than inequality, so it will be x is greater than the lower value, which is -2, and x is greater than or equal to the 3, which is the higher value. Okay, this is the solution of the inequality if the inequality is greater than 0. If it is less than 0, so the range will be in between -2 and 3. Part B, absolute value of 3x minus 4 is less than x plus 2. To solve this inequality, we will square both sides. So we will have 3x minus 4 whole square less than x plus 2 whole square. So apply a minus b whole square formula, so it will be 9x square -24x and plus 16 less than, apply a plus b whole square formula, so x square plus 4x plus 4. Switching these term on the left side, it will be 9x square minus x square minus 24x minus 4x plus 16 minus 4 less than 0. Okay, so we will have 8x square, and this one will be -28x plus 12. 12 times 8 is equals to the 96. 24 times 4 is also -24 times -4 is equals to 96 also. So when we add -24 minus 4 is equals to -28. So we can use the factorization. So this one is less than 0. So we will have 8x square -24x minus 4x plus 12 less than 0. So when we take 8x common, so it will be x minus 3. When we take -4 common, so it will be x minus 3 less than 0. So we have 8x minus 4 times x minus 3 less than 0. So equating each factor with 0, we will have 8x minus 4 equal to 0. On the other side, we have x minus 3 equal to 0. And in this case, x is equals to half, and in this case, x is equal to 3. So the inequality is less than 0. So we can say that x is less than greater value, which is 3, and greater than the smallest value, which is half.